I want to talk to you about how this can help you with your yoga practice. So I am a great believer that you can fit yoga into daily life. And if we haven't met before, my name's Jess. I practice yoga in my pajamas. I teach yoga in my pajamas, and I invite you to fit in a practice wherever you can. So I've been teaching a community of women now online in the mornings. We literally roll out of bed, no hair and makeup. And I wanted to share this with you because if you're new to the mat and you're building confidence and you're not ready to attend a class, this is a way that you can start to work with your body wherever you are. And this is something you can do twice a day. So for this posture, you might need your toothbrush. You can do it without. We're going to take our legs a little bit wider than the hips. So you want your feet turned out and your heels turned in. And this will come into play in a moment. So we're going to come into goddess pose. And with goddess pose, one of the most important things is that when we come down into the posture, we don't start to change our body shape. So when you sink down into the legs, check that your upper body hasn't changed. So just have a little play, get nice and tall, lift up through your crown, you're pushing through your feet, but your toes are out. And then just check to see if you can sink down without changing your upper body. If you notice that your bum's sticking out, your belly's coming forward, your chest's coming forward, tuck everything in. So tuck your hips under, tailbone in, belly button in, and you're just coming down. So have a little play with that, and then we can bring the arms into this. So in goddess, we would take a nice big breath in, and on the exhale then you can come down and you could use the cactus shape arms. So you could breathe like this, inhaling up and exhaling down. Another option is to use straight arms. So inhaling up, a bit more challenging in the arms as you come down, keeping the arms straight out. And if that all feels a little bit too much, you could bring the hands to heart center and just lift and lower with the breath. Now, for those of you that are wondering why she got her toothbrush, this is where the toothbrush comes in. So let's say we're here. A really amazing thing we can do is we can brush our teeth while we're in goddess. And if you're feeling super spicy, you can change to the other arm. I'm rubbish at brushing my teeth with my left hand. But this is a way that you can practice every day while you're brushing your teeth. You're getting stronger legs, you're getting stronger arms, you're allowing yourself that moment of remembering your body and how it works, and that you're strengthening and you're playing around with how it feels. And of course, in the beginning, you might not be able to hold down the whole time. But what you'll notice is, especially if you've got an electric toothbrush that tells you that it's 30 seconds, it's going to guide you. And maybe you can hold for 30 seconds and then you come up and you take a break, and then maybe you come down again. But this is an amazing tool just to fit a tiny bit of yoga or posture into your day. Now, what I would love is that you also take time to breathe and come in and have a deeper practice, but sometimes we don't have the time. And if you want to move your body and you want to be mindful and start to check in with yourself, I absolutely recommend this as something that you can do every day. Now, of course, when you close your practice, normally you would take a moment for yourself. So maybe as you put your toothbrush back, take a moment, bring your hands to heart center, or one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly, and just breathe. One breath is enough. A mindful breath, just to say thank you to your body, your breath. And you can close your practice that simply. So super, super quick way to fit something into your day with the magic of your toothbrush. Follow along for more tips and tricks and also longer classes. You can learn postures, you can build your confidence, ready to attend a class. I'm here for absolute beginners, and I really want to give you the tools and the knowledge that you need to go ahead and start your yoga journey. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.